Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be talking about the things which I use for my mandalas, and I will be sharing things which you can have if you are a complete beginner. So this video will be divided into two parts. In this one, I will talk about the basic stationery things and then papers which I have, and then dotting tools and colors. And in the second one, I will be going through all of the pens and fine liners which I use, along with the showcase of mandala which I made with them. So don't forget to check that video if you wish to see my pens collection. So before starting today's video, let me tell you, this is not at all a sponsored video or I am promoting certain brands. I bought all of them by myself, and this is purely my own personal experience using them. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Today I'll be sharing with you all of the basic things that you must need if you are planning to start a mandala. So the very first thing is this pencil. This is the Apsara extra dark pencil, and another one is from the Camlin of size 2B. So my personal suggestion, don't use extra dark pencil for drawing your mandala, as you need to rub the grids in the end. So always use a 2B pencil or a mechanical pencil if you have. Next up is the very basic erasers you all must have, and then we have scale. This one is a bigger scale which I generally use when I am drawing the bigger mandala. This is a smaller scale. And protector. This one is the half circle, but you can also get that circular one as well to draw the grids. Next up we have compass. This smaller one is from the art line. This is very basic, you can get it anywhere. And the another one is little special, I will tell you how, but just look at it. It's very tight and very sturdy, irrespective of that art line basic compass. The reason why I said this one is special and I bought it specially, because of the pen holding capacity of this compass. The basic compass does not have the ability to hold the pen in its grip, so that's why I got this, and I've searched for it in my local store, but I did not get it, and after a lot of research I got it on Amazon. Now I can easily draw circles directly with my pen, which was not possible earlier. Now let's talk about the papers and notebooks which I used. So this one is the A4 size printable paper. This one is a little thin, but if you are a beginner and you want to try it out, you can go for it, or if you want to practice some mandalas, you can also use these papers. Next one which I have is this drawing notebook from Classmate. This also you can get from the local store. I almost finished this. It's the last page which is remaining. So this also has a very thick paper, you can get it. This one is a small notebook, drawing notebook, which is from the Camel. Next I have the watercolor papers. You must have seen in my YouTube videos, I quite often use these watercolor papers, and I got these from a local stationery shop. So I'm not aware of these brands. I will try to find it in Amazon if I get it. Other than that, you can use the watercolor papers from Brustro. The quality of these watercolor papers are very good. Whenever I want to draw mandala along with the watercolors, I use these. As you must have seen this Mumbai Indians mandala in my YouTube channel. This one I have drawn on the same watercolor paper. As you can see, there is no back leakage of the pen. And here also I have used the acrylic colors in the same watercolor papers, and it is looking beautiful. This is a A5 size notebook from the brand Brustro. I lost the front cover of it, so that's why you can't recognize it. It is of 160 GSM and the quality is amazing. As you can see, I have drawn these mandala. So this is the black sketchbook from the brand Brustro, and it is acid free, and it has viral bound and of the size A4. And I totally love this sketchbook because I have drawn a lot of mandalas using jelly roll pens in this one. And if you don't have this black sketchbook, don't worry, you can use the black chart paper. But the problem is that you will not get the best quality from this chart paper, but for a one time you can go for it. As you can see, it's very thin and the bistro paper was a thicker one. So lastly, for my colored mandalas, mostly I use these camlin brush pens and acrylic colors. And these camlin brush pens are super duper awesome. I have started from a set of 6, but then I got addicted to it and I ordered 24 color shades. And trust me, this one is sufficient enough if you want to give colors to your mandala, because it has flexible tips. I have given the complete review of these camlin brush pens in my channel, so check it out. I will provide the link in description or in the above I button. So these are dotting tools. These one are my recent purchase and I just like to play with it. I haven't tried the dot mandala yet, but I'm planning to do it. But yeah, these ones are very amazing. I have tried nail art using these very thin nibs. I will try to upload the video whenever I try the dot mandalas. And these one are acrylic colors. You must be aware of it. We all use in our school and colleges. So these one are really pretty shades. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Do let me know in the comment section that what other things that you guys use and which one is your favorite amongst all. And also subscribe to my channel if you like making mandalas. Thank you all.